Hi guys, so some persons say they don't know how to copy their Medium UID. So they've navigated through the app and they don't know how to copy the Medium UID, searched all around right here in the app and couldn't find it. So that is why I've made this video, just to show you how to go through the process of copying your UID right here on the Medium app. So watch this video to the end so that you understand how the process actually works. So right here on the Medium app, if you want to copy, if you want to um, get your Medium UID easily, what you have to do is to let's say for instance you want to copy it. To log into your Medium app, in case you don't have the Medium app or you have mistakenly deleted it, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store and download the app. And then after downloading the app, you have to register it, or you log in with the same details that you used in registering. Then after you've logged in with the same details, you open the app and then you click on this button right here. And after clicking on that button, normally you're supposed to see, if you click on this edit your profile section, it's supposed to show right at the top right here. But if you are using a mobile phone, you can't see it. And then if you click on this settings section, you can't even find your ID anywhere around this section. So what we normally do, the best way to find your ID now is to use the same details that you used in registering the app. You use the same email details and go to your web browser and open it. So I normally use Chrome browser. You can use either any of the browser that you like. Either you can use either Opera Mini or any of them that you like, that you prefer. You can use it, and then as soon as you open it, you can now log the website into your browser. You can type medium, and then the website is going to log in. Just click on that website, medium.com, and then you can now, as you have to log in back with your information. So you can see the website has opened because I had already logged in my informations right here on the web browser. All right, so you can see now that this is my page, my web, my profile, and you can see my image right here showing. So as soon as you log into the medium.com website, it's going to pop out the sign-in method process, where you can now sign in with the registered email that you used in registering. Now, after signing in now, it's going to take you right here. This is my profile. Now, to get your username, just look at the top of your browser. You can see at the top of this browser right here. You click on it, all right? As soon as you click on it right now, it is going to bring out, you click on this box, you click on this copy right here. All right, now you click on that copy. As soon as you click on that copy now, you can now see that is you can now see that your username is going to be copied automatically from there. So if you want to verify that your username has been copied, just click on this paste again, right? Just make sure that your browser is in the desktop version. All right, so how you know that the browser is in the desktop version, you come here and toggle that on, then scroll down and ensure that while you're doing this, the browser is in desktop version. And secondly, you have to ensure that you don't have you've frozen the Medium app, because if you want to use this method of copying your Medium username, the app might prompt you to use your app to log you direct back into your Medium app. So what you have to do is to go and freeze that your Medium app before opening your browser right here to access the Medium your Medium page. So then once you get your Medium page, it is going to load. So what you have to do now is to click on this this search bar right here. You click on it. Then as soon as you click on it, it is going to bring out your you click on this copy button right here. So as soon as you click on this copy, you will see something like medium slash at your username. All right, you see something like this showing. All right, you see something like medium http slash medium showing in your right here. So you click on this copy now to copy it down. All right, so right now I've copied down my email. You see something like this. But once you click on that copy, you should see something like httpx isto slash double slash medium.com slash at your username. So this is now going to be your username. All right. So some of you might ask, how do I create the username? Now that I have shown, I've known how to copy the username. How do I create the username? Now, in case you want to create the username on Medium, now what you have to do, the easiest way to do that is to use the Medium app. All right, you have to pass through the Medium app to create the Medium, to create a specific username for yourself. I myself, I'm just showing you this video because I had already created my username through the app, and then this is a video showing you how to copy your username. So this is the shortest cut, the shortest way that you can copy or locate your Medium username. In case you have created it before in the app and you want to get it back, this is how to get it back. All right, you will always see this string, a string like http slash medium.com slash at your username. All right, so that is how to copy it. Meanwhile, if you want to create the Medium username, for those of you that are asking, how do I create the Medium username? The easiest way to create the Medium username now is to head back to the Medium app. Let me show you quickly, okay? Let me show you quickly for those of you that don't know how to go through the process. So let me open the app again. But I believe you people have known how to copy your username, right? Good. Now, for you to create a username of your choice, you have to log back into the app. Here I'm in the app again. So I'll click on profile once again. You click on profile. All right. Or if the profile doesn't load, you click on these settings. But clicking on that profile should direct you to your settings. All right. Then once you get to your profile, this particular section right here is going to load up. All right, so now you have to click on this account section. All right, you have to click on that account section, then you scroll down, you can now see this is where you can create your username. I had already created my username, that's why you are seeing my username starting from @ but in case you want to create your username, you click on this username and subordinate, you click on it, and then it's going to take you to this section. You can now select a username of your choice right here, but ensure that as soon as you create a username, you cannot change it again on Medium. All right, one more thing, if you don't want to use the option of locating and copying your username through your browser, you can do that as well from the app. And how do you go about it? You click right in your profile right here, you click on your profile, then you click on settings at the top. Then after clicking on settings, you click on your account. Then after clicking on account, just allow it to load, and then you click the same place that you created your subdomain is the same place I can copy your username. So you click on it. All right, so now you've clicked on it, this is now your username. So your username will always start at medium.com slash at on chain mod. All right, So this is your username now. Okay, so that's how to go about the process, guys. I hope this video was very helpful. This video has been able to teach you how to copy your Medium username and also how to create your Medium username at the same time. If this video was very helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next videos, you will always be notified on time.